Have you ever found yourself staring out the window, your mind drifting to a moment from childhood, when a single look from your mother was enough to fill you with warmth or cold dread? That lingering sensation, the tightening in your chest, isn't just nostalgia or fear. It's the echo of a silent, ever-present figure, the Mother Archetype. A living image carved into the deepest chambers of your psyche. Long before you learned to speak, you absorbed every nuance of her presence, the softness of her voice, the weight of her gaze, the pause before she offered comfort or withheld it. These early imprints formed a blueprint that still hums beneath your daily life. When her kindness was abundant, you felt safe. When her love felt conditional, you learned to yearn and to hesitate at the possibility of warmth. Carl Jung called these primordial patterns archetypes, and the mother stands among the most powerful. The source of nurture, belonging, and the unspoken promise of being enough. Yet in its shadow form, this archetype becomes a silent commander. You must earn love. Never ask too much. Always be perfect. You might not realize how often you obey that voice, shrinking from praise, doubting affection, or fracturing under tiny criticisms. Picture this image, her silhouette bathed in a soft glow or sharp shadow, hovering behind your every choice, shaping your confidence and fears. It's not your real mother walking beside you. It's an internal presence that can cradle you or imprison you. When we unconsciously cast our partners or friends into this mother role, we expect them to heal wounds we cannot see. They falter, we feel abandoned, and the cycle repeats. But here's the truth. The power to free yourself lies in naming that image, in bringing it into the light. Psychotherapist Bert Hellinger called it invisible loyalty, a vow you never consciously made, binding you to the very pain that once protected you. It shows up as self-sabotage at the brink of joy, or a sudden retreat when love deepens, as if an inner hand pulls you back from happiness. The remedy isn't more love from outside, it's self-parenting. Imagine yourself as that vulnerable child, eyes wide with longing. What would you want to hear? Perhaps you are safe, you are seen, you are loved just as you are. To practice this, begin each morning with a soft question. What does my heart need right now? And each night, cradle your experiences in gentle reflection, acknowledging small victories and tender pains alike. These moments feel simple, yet they are revolutionary. With every compassionate gesture toward yourself, you rewrite the ancient script etched by that archetypal mother. The harsh command to be flawless softens into a whisper of acceptance. In your imperfection, you are beautifully human. As you embrace this inner work, an astonishing shift happens in your relationships. You no longer unconsciously demand mothering from others. You stand whole, inviting connection rather than clutching for survival. You become both the cared-for child and the nurturing presence, dissolving old fears and forging a new bond with life. And sometimes, in the stillness of late afternoon or the hush before dawn, you might catch a glimpse of her again, this time softened, almost tender. The internal mother may lean close, not to judge, but to cradle that tender child within you. You might feel her thumb brush away a tear you didn't know was there, or whisper encouragement when doubt swirls in your mind. In those moments, you realize healing isn't an endpoint, but an evolving embrace. It's the ongoing dance between vulnerability and strength, where each step towards self-compassion dissolves another link in the chain of inherited pain. The goal isn't perfection, it's presence. It's witnessing your own story with the same warmth and curiosity a loving mother might show. So if your heart still flinches at kindness, if a simple compliment triggers an overwhelming sense of unworthiness, pause and ask, who is speaking now? Trace that voice back to its source, the hidden mother within, and speak to her with kindness. Type, "I am enough," in the comments if you're ready to meet that cradling presence inside you. And remember, true freedom isn't found in erasing our past, but in rewriting our relationship with it. If this journey calls to you, subscribe for more explorations of the psyche, where we learn that every compassionate moment is a step toward wholeness, one breath, one whisper at a time. And as you walk this path, notice the subtle shifts, a kinder reflection in the mirror, a hesitation before old fears pull you back, a newfound steadiness in your voice when you speak your truth. Healing the mother wound isn't about perfection. It's about showing up for yourself again and again, even when the echoes of the past call you back. Let each moment of clarity be a small victory, each act of self-embrace, a declaration of freedom. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. You carry the strength of countless souls who have dared to face their inner mother and found their own compassionate heart in return. Keep breathing, keep whispering, keep choosing yourself every single day.